Hello everyone, welcome to this summary of the week from November 6th to 10th, 2023, featuring a single trade for the USD Yen and a few on the Euro Yen. No trades for the Euro USD. However, we finished the week, of course, in the positive. This first trade here was for 3 pips, as is often the case with the USD Yen. I remind you that there is relatively little activity because at the end of the year, there are generally fewer tradable opportunities. This is due to somewhat reduced activity, which is perfectly normal. It's always like this around this time of the year and towards the end. So the first trade on the USD Yen was the only one for the week on this pair, with a nice profit of 3 pips, which is 300 euros. Then we had the whole series on the Euro Yen. The first trade started at break even. As you can see here, it was on Monday, November 6th. For the USD Yen, it was Tuesday, November 7th. Here we had a price that moved slightly against us, then returned to break even. So no loss or gain on this trade. Then we had the following trade that we will see here. This trade was a bullish one, yielding a quick profit in just a few minutes, with a gain of 4 pips, equating to 400 euros. And the next day, November 8th, which was Wednesday, we had a losing trade at minus 4 pips, so minus 400 euros. The price went directly against us, and according to the indicators and the ultra scalping method, it was necessary to close the trade well before it could come back to break even, or anything else. So here, a losing trade that cost 4 pips. Finally, the next day we had a bearish trade that only brought in 2 pips, which is 200 euros because there were 2 units available. There was an initial trade, followed by a second trade right after. Obviously, the price could have continued much lower. But here, as the price first went against us, we returned to our entry point with a small additional profit of 2 pips, which is therefore 200 euros profit.